Good morning, dear students. Last class I have finished different types of problems on distance formula. At the same time, I have finished different problems on different types of quadrilaterals. If the given 4 points, how they are forming a parallelogram or rectangle or square or rhombus. According to their properties, that is based on their properties, we have finished different types of problems on distance formula. At the same time, we have finished the problems on different types of triangles also. If the given 3 vertices, when they are forming an equilateral triangle, when they are forming isosceles triangle, when they are forming scale triangle, at the same time, at what time we are showing the given 3 vertices forms a right angle triangle, and for that also I have given each and every information on distance formula. In case of right angle triangle, with help of Pythagoras theorem, we proved that given triangle forms a right angle triangle. Like those problems in the previous classes we have finished. Today also we are going to solving same different types of problems in a coordinate system in a plane. Today, but we'll solve some different pattern questions. Different pattern means today we are going to solve problems on section formula. When a point divides internally, how we are going to getting coordinates of division points. When a line is divisible by in case of externally, how we are going to finding coordinates of division points, and how we are going to finding coordinates of midpoints. About all this today we will discuss. Let us we are going to starting that first question. Find the coordinates of 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 the points coordinates of the point comma which divides the line joining 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 the points line joining the points. First question, 1 comma minus 3 and minus 3 comma 9 minus 3 comma 9 minus 3 comma 9 internally in the ratio internally in the ratio internally in the ratio 1:3 1:3 here. See here they are asking question in case of internally. A line segment joining of 2 points they gave here. At the same time, it is divided by 1 point internally in the ratio 1:3. But what are the coordinates of internal point, division point they are asking here? See, by showing diagrammatically, easily we can analyze and easily we can understood about the problem here. That is, now let us we are going to giving the solution for this question. Solution. A line segment joining of 2 points here. It is a straight line. Here one point is Coordinates of A we considered here 1 comma minus 3. At the same time, coordinates of the point B is here minus 3 comma 9, and division point here it will come. Division point we considered P here. At the same time, here ratio is 1:3. 1:3. You considered it is M and it is N here. At the same time, you considered x1 comma y1 first coordinates point, and second one is you considered here x2 comma y2 here. Now we are going to finding coordinates of P here. That P divides the line segment AB in the ratio m:n, that is 1:3. But what are the coordinates of P? They are asking. One side is 1 part and the other side is 3 parts. But what are the coordinates of P? They are asking here. At the same time, we can observe about the division point. It lies inside or outside. It lies inside means we have to apply division internal section formula here. If it comes outside, then we have to apply external formula. Here the point P divides inside of the points A and B. That's what we have to apply internal section formula here. That is, let us now firstly we are going to writing internal section formula. The internal section formula is given by the internal section formula. The internal section formula. The internal section formula is given by P is equal to mx2 plus nx1, mx2 plus nx1 whole dividing by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 whole dividing by m plus n is equal to P is equal to mx2, m value is 1 into minus 3 plus n value is 3 into x1 value 1 whole dividing by 1 plus 3 here, comma my2 1 into 9, 1 into 9 here, plus ny1, n value is 3 into minus 3 whole dividing by 1 plus 3 here. That is P is equal to here 1 into minus 3 plus 3 into 1 3 whole dividing by 1 plus 3 means here 4, comma 1 into 9 plus 3 into minus 3 minus 9 whole dividing by 4. That is P is equal to minus 3 plus 3 cancel, and finally we got 0 by 4, and plus 9 minus 9 gets cancelled, 0 by 4 is equal to P is equal to 0 by 4 some finite value with 0, and some 0 by some finite value with 0 by some finite value, its value also 0. That's what we got finally coordinates of P as 0, 0. So why? Coordinates of division point are 0, 0. Like that we are going to finding that coordinates of division point when it divides internally the line segment joining of 2 points. Now let us we are going to solving another questions in case of division points. Find the coordinates of division points. Second question. Find the coordinates of division points. Find the coordinates of the points of the point P, which divides the line, which divides the line joining the points minus 2, 5 and 2, 5. Internally in the ratio, externally in the ratio, externally in the ratio, in the ratio 2:5. 2:5 here. Before this, in that question, they asked a problem in case of internal case. Now here they are asking question in external case. Externally case means the division point will come outside of the line segment AB. From outside, that point divides that line segment AB here. How it is dividing from outside, I will show with respect to or with help of diagram. Even by writing the diagram, easily we can analyze and easily we can understood how we are getting division point in that line. That is, line segment is a line segment joining of 2 points here. A is 1 point and coordinates of A are here minus 2, 5 and here B. Here B is 2, 5. At the same time, you consider them as x1, y1 this, and second one is x2, y2. And division point from outside here, say it will come here P here, division point is. That ratio is 2:5. Opt is 2 and remaining is 5 here. It is m value and it is n value. Now in this case, we are going to applying externally section formula. That is default to the internal section. In case of internally, we are going to taking addition, but in case of externally, we are going to taking a subtraction, that is minus. Now let us, we are going to writing problem of external case in this solution of this question. That is, solution is the externally section formula is given by the externally section formula. The externally section formula is given by P is equal to mx2 minus nx1 whole dividing by m minus n, comma m y2 minus n y1 whole dividing by m minus n, that is p is equal to, in this case we are going to substituting all their values of x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. At the same time the values of m and n also we are going to substituting instead of them. See here mx2, that is 2 into 2, 2 into 2 minus nx1 5 into minus 2, 5 into minus 2 whole dividing by 2 minus 5 here, comma next one is m by 2, 2 into 5, 2 into 5 minus n by 1, 5 into 5 whole dividing by 2 minus 5 here. That is equal to p is equal to here, p is equal to mx2, 2 to the 4, minus to minus plus, 5 to the 10 whole dividing by 2 minus 5 means here minus 3, comma 2 5 is 10 minus 5 5 is 25 whole dividing by 2 minus 5 is minus 3. P is equal to here 4 plus 9, 4 plus 10, that is 14 by minus 3, comma 10 minus 25 is the minus 15 by minus 3. On gets the cancellations here, 3 1 ja, 3 5 ja. That's what final answer for division point is. Plus by minus becomes here minus 14 by 3, comma plus 5. These are the coordinates of division points. Coordinates of division point when it divides line segment externally. That is the minus 14 by 3, comma 5. Before this question we solved in case of internally. In case of internally we got instead of minus as plus in case of formula. But here in case of externally directly will come minus only. This is the difference between internal and externally. Before this we have finished that internal case problem. Now just we have finished external case problem. Now let us we are going to solving another problem. If they can give division point at the time, how to find its ratio? But directly in these two problems, a line segment joining of 2 points, at the same time they gave ratio, and at the same time they mentioned formula also here. They mentioned internal and external also. But next questions, how to find out ratio? In that ratio they won't mention externally or internally, but we have to find out ratio. How means about that now we'll discuss. Find the ratio. Find the ratio. Find the ratio. Find the ratio in which P2,7 which divides the line segment, divides the line joining the points, divides the line joining the points. Line join the points. Divide the line joining the points 8, 9, 8, 9 and minus 7, 4. See here they gave division point and a line segment joining of the 2 points they gave, but we have to find out ratio, whether it is internally or externally. So very simple, if both are plus you are getting plus means you are getting a positive for ratio means we are calling that ratio is internal ratio. If you are getting negative for ratio, that is a negative minus symbol for the ratio means, then we are calling that ratio is external ratio. Now let us we are going to checking about the division point, which ratio we are getting here. By taking diagrammatically or directly we can apply formula, there you are getting positive or negative. First better we have to apply formula. With help of that formula we are going to getting which ratio, about that now we will discuss. And in a problem in any way to like all these types of problems we have to apply only internal section formula. With help of internal section formula only we are going to getting what is the positive and what is the negative here. Now let us we are going to giving the solution for this question. Now solution for this question is, let the given points of line segments segment here. A 8, 9 here. Just to consider them as x1, y1. And B, capital letter B, minus 7, 4 here. You consider them as x2, y2 here. One side division points. Let the division point of AB is P is equal to, division point is 2, 7. You consider them as x, y here. X, y here. Next, the internal section formula is given by the internal section formula. The internal section formula is given by P is equal to mx2 plus nx1 whole dividing by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 whole dividing by m plus n. P is, what is P, coordinates of P are 2, 7. mx2, we don't know. We have to find out the values of m and n only here. M into x2 value is minus 7 plus n into x1 value is 8 whole dividing by m plus n. M plus n means we can write here minus 7 plus 8, comma. My2, m into 4 m into 4 plus n by 1 n into 9 n into 9 whole dividing by m plus n. So here m plus n here, m plus n here. Here also m plus n here. Next. 2, 7 is equal to minus 7m plus 8n whole dividing by m plus n, comma 4m plus 9n whole dividing by m plus n is equal to, symbol is there, equate them, otherwise equate them first coordinates and second coordinates here. Equates to first coordinates here, that is 2 is equal to minus 7m plus 8n whole dividing by m plus n. Any one you can take, first coordinates or second coordinates. Equality of first coordinates or equality of second coordinates. Any one you can take here. One enough here to find ratio. My choice, I am taking here first coordinates. But according to your choice, you can take a second coordinates also. In both cases, we are getting same answer here. See here, my choice, I selected only first coordinates. Taking cross multiplication. If there is no down in case of left hand side part, just to consider it as one only here. Taking cross multiplication, 2 into m plus n, that is 2m plus 2 into m plus n is equal to minus 7m plus 8n here. That is the 2m plus 2n multiply with 2 to the terms of this bracket part in the left hand side parts. If you can take product like that, you are getting here 2m plus 2n is equal to minus 7m plus 8n. Send minus 7m this side and 2n that side. 2m plus 7m is equal to 8n minus 2n. 2m plus 9m is 9m is equal to 8n minus 2n is 6n. Send m that side and send 6 this side here. It becomes 9 by 6. 9 by 6 is equal to, otherwise m is to n ratio we need now. M is to n ratio means here send n this side and send 9 that side. We can send m that side, no problem. And finally, if you are getting 9 is to m, take reciprocal. 9 by m is equal to some 2 by 3. 9 by m is equal to some 2 by 3. Then m by n is equal to 3 by 2. That's only. You can take m or n as your wish. Now I am going to converting in the ratio of m is to n. Send n this side. M by n is equal to 6 by 9. That is m by n is equal to, on gets cancellations, 3 2s are 3 3s are, that is 2 by 3. M by n, or we can write them as m is to n. M by n, or we can write like this, m is to n is equal to 2 is to 3, like that also. Because we got both are positive here. Plus 2 by plus 3. That's both are positive, means we can take 2 is to 3 is internally. That's why P divides the line segment joining of the 2 points 8, 9 and minus 7, 4 in the ratio 2 is to 3 internally. Therefore, ratio is 2 is to 3 internally. Therefore, ratio is 2 is to 3 internally. If any one of negative means the ratio is external case, externally, like that we are going to giving answer to like all these questions. Now let us we are going to solving another question. Find the ratio in which 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 the line joining the points the line joining the points the line joining the points minus 4 comma 2 minus 4 comma 2 and 8 comma 3 8 comma 3 is divided by the y axis is divided by the y axis is divided by the y axis. Here they are asking divide by the y axis. That is division point lies on y axis. When is the point lies on y axis, we can take a first coordinate value. That is the value of first coordinate is always equal to 0. That's what here division point P is equal to some 0 comma y. 0 comma y means here 0 is known value, y is unknown value. What is the known value? With help of that we are going to finding ratio. Now let us we are going to giving solution for this question. This is the fourth question. See here. Let the line segment joining of the 2 points. Let the line segment joining of the 2 points. The 2 points capital A minus 4 comma 2 and one more is capital B 8 comma 3 here. At the same time you consider them as x1 comma y1. Here it is x2 comma y2. Next one is let the division point let the division point P is equal to here you consider 0 comma y. 0 comma y only here. Now the internal section formula. The internal section formula is given by internal section formula. Internal section formula is given by P is equal to mx2 plus nx1 whole dividing by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 whole dividing by m plus n. Pace 0 comma y is equal to mx2. M value is we don't know, that's only we have to find out here. M into 8 plus n into x1 value is minus 4 whole dividing by m plus n. M plus n means here what are the value? M plus n as it is we are going to writing here. M y2, m into y2 value is 3 plus n into y1 value is 2 whole dividing by m plus n here is equal to here it is equal to 0 comma y is equal to 8 into m, 8m plus 8m minus 4n whole dividing by m plus n here, m plus n, comma. Next one is 3m plus 2n, 3m plus 2n whole dividing by m plus n here. Individually or separately equate them, because we knew about coordinates of point in case of LHS. We knew only first coordinate here 0, we got a perfect value 0 here. That's why equate to first coordinates here. 0 is equal to 8m minus 8m minus 4n whole dividing by 4 plus n here. There is nothing in down in place of left hand side part. We consider it as 1. Taking cross multiplication, 4 plus n into 0, 0 is equal to 1 into 8m of minus 4n is 8m minus 4n. Send 8m this side, it becomes negative. Minus 8m is equal to minus 4n. Minus minus gets cancelled. Send n this side, send 8 that side. M by n is equal to 4 by 8. On gets cancellations, 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja. That's why m by n is equal to 1 by 2. That is m is to n is equal to 1 is to 2 ratio. Internally, it is the internal case, because plus 1 by plus 2 we got means ratio is positive. Therefore, we can write here. Therefore, ratio is 1 is to 2 internally. 1 is to 2 internally here. Like that. Today we have finished internal section problems, external section problems. At the same time, we have finished how to find out ratio also. When it divides y-axis, how to find out ratio. Like that, today we have finished some different types of problems in case of coordinate system in a plane. Next class also we will solve some different types of problems in a coordinate system in a plane. At the same time, next class we will solve some different pattern type problems like area of triangle and how to show the given 3 points are collinear with respect to area of triangle, and we'll solve some different types of problems even in section formula also. Even along with that, I'll tell you about trisection. What is trisection? When they will ask problem in case of trisection, how to solve, about that also we will discuss on next class. Thank you very much.